Alright, it started raining on us, so we brought it to the fly here. And let's say it's working out. I don't think it's gonna work out, but making some sausage and egg tacos. Kind of been the go-to lately. And the tent has a lot of area for deer too. And this is the screen room. So you see, he can cook in here. Now we didn't bring a dining fly or a tarp that we can run over. Maybe we had a tarp. I think these trees are too far from the camp area. We need like a huge, long piece of rope. So it's probably better to bring some with a pole system. In the Scouts, we used to just put a tarp with some poles and nails at the top and stake it down. Alright, let me get this going.